Are you ready to uncover a shocking truth that's affecting millions of seniors across America? Brace yourself, because what you are about to hear might just save your life or the life of someone you love. Picture this. You've worked hard your entire life, saved for retirement, and now you're finally enjoying your golden years. But there's a silent crisis lurking in the shadows, threatening to rob you of your health, independence, and peace of mind. And the worst part? Most seniors are falling into this trap without even realizing it. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on a hidden epidemic that's sweeping through our nation's elderly population. It's a crisis so insidious that it's been flying under the radar for years, quietly eroding the quality of life for countless seniors. But here's the good news. Knowledge is power. And by the end of this video, you will be armed with the information you need to protect yourself and your loved ones from this silent threat. So, what exactly is this crisis we're talking about? It's a perfect storm of factors that are converging to create a health crisis unlike anything we've seen before. From inadequate nutrition and lack of physical activity to social isolation and neglected mental health, seniors are facing a multitude of challenges that are putting their well-being at risk. Let's start with nutrition. Did you know that malnutrition affects up to 50% of older adults? That's right, half of our seniors might not be getting the nutrients they need to maintain their health. And it's not just about eating enough, it's about eating the right foods. Many seniors struggle with decreased appetite, difficulty chewing or swallowing, and limited access to fresh, nutritious foods. This can lead to a host of health problems, including weakened immune systems, muscle loss, and increased risk of falls and fractures. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Physical inactivity is another major concern. As we age, it becomes easier to slip into a sedentary lifestyle. Maybe you're dealing with chronic pain, or perhaps you're worried about injuring yourself. Whatever the reason, lack of exercise can have devastating consequences for seniors. It can lead to muscle weakness, decreased bone density, and increased risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. And let's not forget about the mental and emotional toll of aging. Social isolation is a growing problem among seniors, especially in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. Many older adults find themselves cut off from friends and family, leading to feelings of loneliness and depression. This isolation doesn't just affect mental health, it can have serious physical consequences too. Studies have shown that social isolation can increase the risk of cognitive decline, heart disease, and even premature death. But wait, there's more. Mental health issues, particularly depression and anxiety, are often overlooked in seniors. Many people mistakenly believe that feeling sad or anxious is just a normal part of aging. This couldn't be further from the truth. Untreated mental health conditions can lead to a decline in physical health, increased risk of substance abuse, and a lower overall quality of life. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds pretty grim. Is there any hope? Absolutely. The first step in addressing this crisis is awareness. By recognizing these issues, we can take proactive steps to prevent and address them. Let's start with nutrition. If you're a senior or caring for one, it's crucial to focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Consider working with a nutritionist to develop a meal plan that meets your specific needs. And don't forget about staying hydrated. Dehydration is a common problem among seniors that can lead to confusion, dizziness, and other health issues. When it comes to physical activity, remember that every little bit counts. You don't need to run marathons or lift heavy weights to reap the benefits of exercise. Simple activities like walking, swimming, or chair exercises can make a big difference. Always consult with your doctor before starting a new exercise routine, And consider working with a physical therapist to develop a safe and effective workout plan. Addressing social isolation requires a community effort. If you're a senior, don't be afraid to reach out to friends, family, or community organizations. Many local senior centers offer social activities and programs designed to keep older adults engaged and connected. And if you have elderly neighbors or relatives, make an effort to check in on them regularly. A simple phone call or visit can make a world of difference. Mental health is just as important as physical health. If you're feeling persistently sad, anxious, or hopeless, don't suffer in silence. Talk to your doctor about your feelings. There are many effective treatments available, including therapy and medication. And remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Now, let's talk about prevention. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider are crucial for catching potential health issues early. Don't skip those annual physicals or recommended screenings, and make sure you are up to date on all your vaccinations. They are not just for kids. It's also important to stay mentally active. Engage in activities that challenge your brain, like reading, puzzles, or learning a new skill. This can help keep your mind sharp and may even reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a positive attitude. While aging does come with its challenges, it also brings wisdom, experience, and the opportunity to enjoy life at a slower pace. Focus on the things you're grateful for, and try to maintain a sense of purpose and meaning in your daily life. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are resources available to help you navigate the challenges of aging. From local senior centers and community organizations to online support groups and government programs, help is out there if you know where to look. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? The silent crisis affecting seniors is real, but it's not inevitable. By staying informed, taking proactive steps to maintain your health, and reaching out for help when you need it, you can protect yourself and your loved ones from falling into this trap. Don't let the golden years of your life be tarnished by preventable health issues. Take charge of your health today. Eat well, stay active, connect with others, and prioritize your mental well-being. You have worked hard all your life. Now, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. And if you're not a senior yourself, remember that we all have a role to play in supporting our older population. Check in on your elderly neighbors, volunteer at a local senior center, or advocate for policies that support healthy aging. Together, we can turn this silent crisis into an opportunity for positive change. So, are you ready to take action? Your health, happiness, and independence are worth fighting for. Don't wait until it's too late. Start making positive changes today. Because when it comes to your health and well-being, you're never too old to start, and it's never too late to make a difference. Remember, knowledge is power, and now you have the power to protect yourself and your loved ones from this silent crisis. Share this information with others, and let's work together to ensure that our golden years truly shine. The future of healthy aging starts now, and it starts with you.